Achieve things dear. Teach triumph for a monk. Abstain from violence. Teach pain at its end. Dhammapad 390. Achieve things dear. It is triumph for a monk. Abstain from violence. It is pain at its end. Dhammapad 390. To the Brahmana, Arahant, the act of not returning hate is not a minor asset. It is a great asset indeed, if in a mind usually taking delight in hateful acts, there is a chance for the better. It is not a minor victory. Each time the violent mind ceases, suffering too subsides. For Brahmin, Arahant, no small benefit when mind is aloof from what is dear. As much he turns away from harm, so much indeed does dukkha die. Dhammapad 390. No brahmanasya dokinchi syo jada nisedho manaso piyehi jato jato hingsha mano nivattoti tato sammoti mevo dukkham. Dhammapad 390.